snowmans, and that ball landed on the snowman's house.
And they
came to life, and they said happy birthday, and they said happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear snowman.
Happy birthday to me.
Bravo!
Wait, there's one more song. Frosty the snowman was a very happy soul with his corncob pipe and button nose and 2 eyes made out of snow.
Coal.
Cha cha cha.
Bravo!